Now the other good thing with this system is if we go now to iTunes, click on that, the tune that's playing, if you look here at the bottom there's a red triangle with 3 red circles and it's showing iPhone and Audi. Now if Audi's not ticked, if it's on iPhone, just make sure there's a tick next to it. We'll turn it up, click play, and then we need to go into media and then turn it down to Barry's iPhone, and it'll probably blast out now. Let's see, just loading. So there you go, that's how to get your audio streaming working. A great system, good sound in the Audi.